We are taught at a young age how to brush our teeth and why it's important. But I often find that some of my patients don't quite know how to make the most of their brushing experience. So here are a few tips for brushing your teeth. First, choose a toothbrush with soft nylon bristles. Your toothbrush head should be soft because medium or hard bristles can cause serious damage to your gums. Make sure your toothbrush head is small enough for easy access to all your teeth. I often find that an electric toothbrush can provide a more thorough cleaning in less time than a manual brush. They are especially helpful for people who have dexterity problems. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto your brush. You don't need a lot. Choose a toothpaste with fluoride, which helps to protect your teeth. Then, place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle against your teeth. This is the important part. Gently sweep the brush away from your gum line with short strokes. You'll be moving it up and down like this. Continue cleaning your teeth in small sections. Be careful not to press too hard or you could cause damage. Pay special attention to the gum line and be sure to let the bristles get in the spaces between the teeth. Then, rinse your mouth and toothbrush to rinse away bacteria. Once you're done with your teeth, take some time to gently brush your tongue and the inside of your cheeks. This will help to remove bacteria in these areas. Then, rinse thoroughly again. You can use an antibacterial rinse for extra protection. Most people don't brush long enough. Proper brushing takes at least 2 to 3 minutes. I suggest using a timer to make sure you're brushing long enough. Remember to change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Not only are old toothbrushes less effective, they can harbor bacteria. Most importantly, brush your teeth at least twice a day, especially after eating. That's the best way to get plaque the brush off.